Hello, good day once again. You are welcome back. Here we're going to look at this question here. It says solve the system of equation for A, B, C if A, B, C are positive. Equation 1 is AB plus BC plus CA plus A square is equals to 181. Equation 2 as AB plus BC plus CA plus B square is equals to 294. And question 3 AB plus BC plus CA plus C square is equals to 273. Okay, now all we need to do here is to see how we can factorize them first and carry out some form of simplification. Say from equation 1 we can see that we can group them in terms as AB plus BC plus CA plus A square is equal to 181. 182. Here, if you look at this expression here, we see the common factor here is B. So we bring that B here. This becomes B into A plus C. Here, the expression CA plus A square, the common factor is A. So if A is factored out, it becomes A into C plus A is equals to 2. Now we can also express 183 as a product of its prime in index form. Okay, now this becomes 2 times 7 times 13. So if we factor out this now, you see the common factor here is A plus C, so that this becomes B plus A into C plus A is equals to 2 times 7 times 13, and this is named equation 4. Now from equation 2, we could see that we have a B plus CA in as group in one aspect, then BC plus B square as also group as another expression is equal to 294. So that if we look at this expression AB plus CA, the common factor is A. So that this become, if A is factor out here, this becomes A into B plus C. If you look at this expression here, BC plus B squared, the common factor is B. So if B is factor out here, this become B into C plus B. And 294 can also be expressed as a product of its prime in index form as 2 times 3 times 7 squared. Okay, here if we factorize this, the common factor here is B plus C. So we have A plus B into B plus C is equal to 2 times 3 times 7 squared, and this is named as equation 5. Now from equation 3, we do a similar thing here by grouping the terms into 2 as follows: AB plus BC plus into here we have a CA plus C square as one expression. Okay, now here this expression AB plus BC, the common factor here is B. So if B is factored out here, this becomes B into A plus C, and on the expression CA plus C square, the common factor is C. So if C is factored out here, what is left within the bracket become A plus C. So here we can also express 273 as a product of E prime as 3 times 7 times 13. Okay, so that if this is completely factorizable, this becomes B plus C into A plus C is equal to 3 times 7 times 13. This is labeled as equation 6. Now all we need to do, we need to simplify. And how do we go about that? Is by dividing all the given equations by each other. For instance, we go with dividing equation 4 by equation 5. Equation 4 is B plus C into C plus A, and that of equation 5 is B plus C into A plus B. And on the right hand side, we know that their values are 2 times 3 times 13, and for that of equation 5 is 2 times 3 times 7 squared. So here you see that the common factor here is B plus A, or A plus B, so that they add, and what is left is C plus A at the numerator, and the denominator is B plus C. So here 2 cancel 2, and here 1 7 is remove 1 7, and what is left here at the numerator on the right hand side is 13, and the denominator is just 3 times 7, which is 21. So from here we can form an equation here by as saying that the numerator is equivalent to 13 and the denominator is equivalent to 21. So C plus A is equals to 13 and B plus C is equals to 21. So we name this as equation 7 and 8 respectively. Now we also divide equation 5 by equation 6, okay? Because similarly we only did for equation 4 and 5. Now let's divide equation 5 and 6, and if that is done, you will now discover that we have b plus c into a plus b, divide b plus c into a plus c, and the common factor here is b plus c, which is at, and what is left here on the left hand side is a plus b over a plus c. So on the right hand side, 3 cancel 3 and the 7 cancel 7. What will be left at the numerator is 14. Then while the denominator here is 13. So this also confirms our already obtained equation that a plus c is equals to 13. Okay. Now here we only take a plus b is equals to 14, and this is named as equation 9. So all we need to do here is to add equation 7, 8, and 9 respectively and see what is obtainable. Okay, now c plus a plus b plus c plus a plus b is equals to 13 plus 21 plus 14 respectively on the right hand side, and this becomes 2a plus 2b plus 2c equals 48. So for us to obtain a, b, and c, we divide through by 2, and the expression becomes a plus b plus c is equals to 24. Now we still need to do some work further. Here we say equation 8 minus equation 7. Okay, so equation 8 is b plus c and equation 7 is c plus a. So on the left hand side, on the right hand side, well, the numerical values is 21 minus 13, and this if this is done here, c minus c is off, and the minus times plus a is minus a. This becomes b minus a is equal to 8. For us to work well, let's name this as equation 10 because our last equation was equation 9. Now similarly, we say equation 9 minus equation 7. Okay, all we are trying to do, we are trying to subtract all the equation 8, 7, 8, 9 from each other. Okay, so equation 9 from 7 is a plus b minus a plus c. So if this is done, a minus a will be off, and what is left is b minus c. On the right hand side, the numerical terms is 14 minus 13 and is equals to 1. Since our previous equation is equation 10, here we name this as equation 11. Okay, now let's look at equation 8 minus equation 9, which is b plus c minus a plus b, which is 21 minus 14 on the right hand side. So this becomes c minus a is equals to 7. We name this as equation 12. Now let's recall the other equation where we have a plus b plus c is equals to 24. Now from equation 10, we could say that b is equals to a plus a, and from equation 11, we could also say that c is equals to 7 plus a. Okay, what happened? Look at equation 11. If we move c this way and b, if we move c to the right hand side, becomes c, and if we move this one here to the left hand side, become minus 1. Okay, so that we know that b already here is a is 8 plus a. So if we put it here, it become 8 minus this one here that is already negative on this side, plus nothing usually affect the a. So that is why we say c is equals to 7 plus a. So we don't need to find a, so that we can be able to obtain the value of a. So if we substitute here, we just have a. In place of c, we have 7 plus a. In place of b, we have 8 plus a is equals to 24. Okay, so that with a plus a plus a, this is 3a, or 7 plus 8 is 15 equals to 24. This is just simple linear equation. All we need to do is to collect lightens. We'll move this to the right hand side, become a negative 15, and this become 3a is equals to 24 minus 15, and that gives 9. So here to obtain a, we divide both sides by 9, and the a is equals to 3. Now with that, we can obtain the value of b and c as well, respectively, that b is equal to 8 plus 3, since the value of a is known to be 3. So b is 8 plus 3, that gives 11. Similarly, c is equal to 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. So if we look at this, a, b, c is equal to 3, 11, and 10 respectively. Please, if you like this video, please help me share, and also share them on your social media platform. So if there's anything contribution, you can also let me know on my comment section. Have a nice time. See you next